Do dogs get one free bite in Indiana? Hi, I'm Marc Lopez, a civil injury attorney here in Indiana, and we can all agree not all bites are the same. A playful nibble versus a vicious bite from a dog, two different experiences. But no, dogs are not necessarily entitled to one free bite before you can hold their owner liable. So let's talk about that. In Indiana, dogs are considered domesticated animals and they are harmless under the law. But that harmlessness goes away if the owner knows or should know that the animal has a propensity towards viciousness. So, if a dog that's bitten 10 other little kids bites another kid, yeah, the owner knows. That's pretty easy. But what about the owner of a 150-pound dog that entrusts that 150-pound dog to a 90-pound 12-year-old? That 90-pound 12-year-old probably can't restrain that dog from jumping on someone or tackling them or hurting them, even if the dog isn't vicious, but they're still going to be injured if they fall. Now, what about a babysitter that has a little cute Yorkie everyone loves to pet, and the babysitter leaves that Yorkie and a 5-year-old in a room, and the 5-year-old's eating snacks left and right? It's foreseeable that Yorkie might want some of those snacks. And if that Yorkie bites the 5-year-old's hand, maybe the Yorkie wasn't trying to hurt the 5-year-old, probably one of those snacks. But that's foreseeable. So in those instances, even though the dog hadn't exhibited vicious behavior in the past, the person in control of that dog would be liable. The bottom line is dogs in Indiana are not necessarily entitled to one free bite. Dog bite cases are based upon the idea of, was it foreseeable that the dog could hurt somebody? Foreseeability is a fancy way of saying, hey, should the owner have known the dog might act a fool given certain circumstances? If you are a victim of a dog bites are traumatic. Another living being is biting you or toppling you, pushing you over, somehow you're injured. Most cases there's scarring, there's hospital visits, there's always the lingering doubts, hey, do I have rabies? Is this scar gonna last forever? They're traumatic by nature. If you or a loved one were dealing with a dog bite case, give us a call, 317-632-3642. We will do everything within our power to help you get full justice.